Good day, everyone. My name is Janie Macias. I work for the Department of Senior Affairs, City of Albuquerque. I'm a program coordinator at Highland Senior Center. And today we are going to be doing blow drying painting. Some of the items that we're going to need are gloves, some paper towels. I'm going to be using some tempera paint. I have green, pink, and white. And always make sure that you shake your paints. This way they're a little bit easier to work with. And I'm going to use cardstock paper. You can use poster board paper if you'd like. You can use construction paper. And some of the other items that you're going to need is, of course, a blow dryer, some wipes, a table cover, and if you want to frame your paintings, then you can buy your frames at the dollar store for $1. If you want to go with the more expensive frame, of course you can pay more if you'd like, but this is a very inexpensive project, and so we're just trying to keep the costs down as low as we can. So the first thing that we're going to do is get our cardstock paper, and we're gonna lay it down flat. We're gonna get the green paint, we're gonna shake it again, and we're going to just put spots of painting, kind of like this. You can see that. Now we're going to get the pink, do the same thing with the pink. And we're going to do the white. This is very easy and very fast. Then we're going to get the blow dryer before it starts. And what you're going to do with the blow dryer is you're going to move the paint around. It does make a lot of noise, but it works best. It works best because it makes a lot of noise. It works best if you put it on a high pressure. So like I said, it works best if you put it on a high pressure setting. It moves it around a little bit. Then you're going to get another piece of paper and you're going to lay it right on top of it. And what you're going to do is you're going to smooth it out. Make sure you get all the excess paint out of there. Going upward, going downward, like so. And the reason why you want to have paper towels in between is because you're going to see some of the paint kind of squirt out a little bit. You're going to go around the sides, making sure you get all that excess paint out. And once you've done that, you're going to get your blow dryer again and you're going to go over it a little bit. You're gonna press it one more time. And now you're going to open it up. And this is a design that you're gonna end up with right here. That's one of them. And of course, here's the other one. So this way, if you decide that you want 2 pictures on your wall, then you have both of them. Or you can keep one and give another one away. So you let those dry, and it's best if you let them dry for at least 5-6 hours. So don't get alarmed if you use construction paper or card paper, it's gonna fold up a little bit. Just like this one. This one's dry. See how it's folded up? So what you end up doing, of course, you're gonna clean up your area. And this is the one that has a frame on it. It's the same picture as this one here. Let's see. I don't know if you can see that. But once you put it in the frame, this is what it looks like. And then if you want, you can hang it on the wall, or you can put it on a desk. You can put it, you know, on your table and just show off your art. This one is another one that I did, and this one has different colors as well. I don't know if you can see it, but it doesn't have as much paint on it, but yet it has a real, it kind of looks like if there's little birds or something hanging around there. You can also use silver stock paper if you'd like. And when you use silver, then you're gonna get a different effect. This one here is with all the different colors, and it's silver. You can also frame this one if you'd like. You can turn it around. And here's another one that I have here. And this one's a silver one. And again, the colors are a little bit different, and they're smudged a little bit different. And you could do the same thing. Mount it on the wall, or you can just put it on a frame. I know the lighting's a little bit bad, so you can't really see it that good. There's different techniques that you can use when you're using the blow dryer. Some of them are, I'm gonna go ahead and do another one just to kind of show you the different things you can do. I'm gonna use the silver one. And I'm gonna use the shiny part here. And on this one, I'm only gonna do the pink, and I'm gonna do the white. And I'm just going to make like little swirls around there. I'm gonna use the blow dryer again so you won't be able to hear me. And it pushes the paint away. I'm gonna get a black one, a black card stock paper, and put it on top of the silver. And I'm just going to press down. This one doesn't have as much paint, so you won't have any of the paint coming out through the sides. But you would do the same thing going up and down, making sure you spread everything around. You're going to get the blow dryer, you're going to turn it on again, press down. And here's this painting, a little bit different with the black and pink. And here's the silver one. You can frame them as well and put them side by side on your wall. You can put them on your wall with the frame. Same thing like this one, you can put it on the wall. And you can always sign your paintings. And this is a fun project, like I've said before, on the other projects that I've done on YouTube. You can do this project by yourself. You can invite someone over, of course, using social distancing and wearing your mask. And but you can invite your grandchildren. You can invite your like I said, your friends. You can invite your children to come over and just paint. Use different techniques. You can also get the paper. You can put paint on it. Do the same method, and you can. I know we used to do this at school. You can fold it in half like that, and you can put the colors inside. So I'm going to put green, I'm going to use pink, and then I'm just going to fold it in half. I'm not going to use the blow dryer on this one, but you could follow the same technique of using the blow dryer. Just the blow dryer makes a lot of noise, so. But you would do the same thing. Turn it around, press on it. You can use this also if there's a special part that you wanted to make. So then you open it up. And this is the design that you end up getting. So you can also put this on a frame. I don't know if you can see how it looks from there. But it kind of looks like a butterfly. But you can put it on a frame and the color just comes out a whole lot more. Or you can turn it around, like I said, and make a card once it dries. And as you can see, these ones are beginning to dry already. And you could put it this way or this way. Then you have two of them. Thank you so much for joining in and taking some time just to do arts and crafts with me, do some crafts, and I am on YouTube, also doing tie-dye, doing mop painting, so you're welcome to look for some of my videos and just get some more ideas. Thank you so much for everything, and you stay safe, and just have a great day.